Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'll be showing you how I created this rainbow tutu for my daughter's first birthday pictures. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. I purchased these rolls of tulle from Amazon. It came with the elastic band and also the measuring tape and scissors. Here I'm measuring her waist to be about 14 inches. And then I'm going to double knot it so that it doesn't come loose when she wears it. This will be my first time making a tutu. I want her tutu to be about 7 inches in length, so I used a piece of cardboard paper that I measured to be 7 inches, and I'm going to use it as a way to wrap the tulle around that it's easier for me instead of cutting piece by piece. When you reach your desired amount, you want to make sure that you only cut one end of the tulle so that when it's folded over the elastic band, it still gives you that length that you want. So now I'm starting to add the tulle to elastic band and doing a double knot with the tulle as well. Sorry guys, my video actually cut off, but the process is still the same. I just have gone through more colors. And I found that putting the band around my leg helped me do this a lot faster. I ended up using about 10 pieces of tulle per color. I did put black in different areas just because her onesie was black, so I wanted it to match pretty well. And here is the finished result of her tutu. If you want to see how I created this backdrop, I will include the link in the description box. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.